Hello friends, welcome to AARDHA. In this topic 6 of personal banking, we will see various features of ATM, debit card, credit card and UPI. This is how digital banking revolution in India is happening. Friends, most of you might not have idea regarding when a fraud happens, what is the liability of the bank, what is the liability of the customer, when customer can get a full refund, when not, right? In this video, stay till the end to know the data regarding that customer liability and bank liability. See, this is how ATM works. This is how ATM card looks like, right? This 16 digit number. Here is the expiry date. Here is the card holder name. Backside you will have the CVV number. See now first let's see what the ATM is. ATM is automated teller machine. This is like 24/7 banking service without visiting a branch. You can withdraw cash anytime, anywhere. Check account balance instantly. View mini statements of recent transactions. Change PIN for security. Fast cash facility for quick withdrawals. Basically, this ATM machine, you can perform basic banking operations like withdrawal, balance inquiry, right? This is how to use ATM. Insert the card, enter the PIN, select service like whether it is balance or cash withdrawal. Then enter the amount, collect the cash, and please don't forget to take your card and slip. Now let's see various key terms and meanings. ATM. ATM is automated teller machine. This is the machine which is used for self-service for cash withdrawal, balance check. ATM card is slightly different from debit card most of us use. ATM card, you can use it in ATM only, but not for POS and online transactions. Whereas debit card, you can use it in ATM and also in online and point of sale payments. That is the basic difference between debit card and credit card. Sorry, debit card and ATM card. Now let's see what credit card is. Credit card, you can borrow funds and repay later. It attracts very high interest if unpaid within time. UPI, Unified Payment Interface. Nowadays, you use various apps like PhonePay, Google Pay, etc. Right? This is UPI. Now let's see what ATM card is. This is a model ATM card. Here, ATM card you can use it only in ATM for cash withdrawal and balance. You cannot use it in online and POS. That is the key difference between ATM card and debit card, which most of us are using nowadays. Here, this is debit card is directly linked to your bank account. You can use at ATMs for cash. You can use it in shop line and offline at point of sales. Here, it is secured with PIN and OTP. Now, let's see what credit card is. It looks similar to debit card, but here you can borrow from the bank. Means you can get credit. You can buy now and pay later. Usually, interest-free period is from 30 to 45 days. If you are not paying within this interest-free period, that's high interest. Basic difference between credit card and other cards are here you can have rewards and cashback. Now let's compare various features and whether they are available in these cards. ATM card is for cash only, whereas debit card for cash plus shopping. Credit card you can have credit purchase. UPI is for digital transfers. Here ATM card, debit card and UPI are linked to bank accounts, whereas credit card is not linked. ATM card you can't use it for online, whereas other uh, debit card, credit card and UPI you can use. Here, ATM card, debit card, and UPI allows immediate payment. Means immediately your account gets debited, but in credit card, pay later option is there. Only in credit card, if you are not paying within time, then interest occurs. For other things, there is no interest as you are using your account balance. ATM cards have a very low limit, like up to 50,000, whereas debit card, some banks allow up to 1 lakh. Credit card, it will be based on limit. UPI maximum limit is 1 lakh per day. ATM card occurs minimal charges. Debit card has annual fee. UPI is free as of now, but credit card might have annual fee and interest if unpaid within time. For ATM card, there might not be any rewards, but for debit card, there may be limited rewards. For credit card, there may be many rewards. UPI, some apps offer UPI rewards. For ATM, you cannot have international transactions. For debit card, it might be enabled if that card allows. Credit card, it is allowed. UPI is available only in India. ATM card does not require internet, whereas a debit card and credit card, it depends. For UPI, it is required. Now let's see ATM card safety tips. Please don't never ever share your PIN. Cover keypad while entering PIN in ATM or in point of sale. When you are entering PIN, please cover it so that no one can have access to your PIN. Check SMS alerts. If you are finding any suspicious devices on ATM, please be cautious. Please use well-lit populated ATMs. Always take your card and receipt after transaction. Change your PIN regularly. Report lost cards immediately. This is very important. Now let's see how to block card and recovery various recovery steps. If your card is lost, uh, various banks allow blocking card via mobile app, right? Please use it instantly. If it is not available, call 24 by 7 helpline and inform customer care. Otherwise, if it is working day, you can visit the branch immediately and have your card blocked. See, these are fraud liability rules I am speaking in the beginning. See, if some fraud occurs due to negligence from the bank end, then customer is not liable. Customer will get full refund. But sometimes when third party does fraud, then whether customer is liable or not, that's what I am going to explain now. According to RBI rules, if you are reporting within 3 working days, then customer will have no liability. If there is no error from customer part, it has occurred due to some third person or some third party fraudulent activity, you need to report it within 3 working days. Then your liability is zero. But you are reporting after 3 days and within 7 days, then you might face some liability. If you are reporting after 7 days, full liability will be on you. So whenever some fraud occurs, please report it immediately within a day or two, so that your liability is not there. Of course, these frauds occur. Uh, if any of these occur because of your negligence or your like your fault, then banks might not give this. But otherwise, if it is purely due to third party uh, fraudulent activity and you are you are vigilant and informing bank immediately, then your liability is zero. So please make a note of it. Now let's see various UPI apps: PhonePay, Paytm, Google Pay, BHIM. These are various UPI apps, right? As of now, UPI is free, so use this for small amounts. But I want to mention one more thing. For very small amounts, uh, if you are using it for a regular payments where you pay regularly, that's okay. But some to some unknown vendor, if you are paying it with UPI, if it is failed now, then he might ask you to repay. Something like that might occur, right? So have some minimum cash so that when you are paying to new vendor, if UPI is not working, you can pay in cash, so that it is hassle free. This is how UPI works. You can create UPI ID. PhonePay, for example, it is like mobile number in at the rate YBL. If it is some bank, then it might be like this. Link your bank account and you can send your money. You can create a UPI ID, link bank and send money. This is instant money transfer 24 by 7. In one app, you can have multiple banks. This is the main advantage of UPI. For example, in PhonePay or Google Pay, you can link multiple bank accounts, right? Zero fees as of now, secured by a UPI PIN. It allows QR payments like scan and pay. Now let's see when to use what. ATM card is basically used for ATM transactions and basic cash withdrawal, like a balance inquiry, etc. That's it. Not it can't be used at POS or online. Whereas debit card can be used at POS and online. Credit card, you can have a credit, right? Buy now, pay later. You can have many rewards. You can build credit score if you are using it wisely. UPI is used for instant money transfer. As of now, you need not pay any charges. It allows QR code payments. See, coming to credit card, you should use it very responsibly. Otherwise, it attracts 24 to 30%, 36% per year interest. See, you should pay on time. You should clear full amount before due date, not minimum payment amount. If you pay minimum payment amount, then you will lose interest-free period, right? You need to pay high interest for the amount which you have not paid. So please don't use like please use credit card to the extent which you can pay within time. Don't use it heavily. Don't pay minimum payment amount. Pay full amount. To not miss credit card payment, please set reminders so that you can pay it before the deadline arrives. See, once again, please remember these golden rules. Never share PIN or OTP. Enable SMS alerts. Report lost cards immediately. Pay credit card bills on time. Check statements regularly. Use strong passwords. Now, if you might have some new learnings, right? Please let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any doubts or suggestions, please let me know so that I can revert back to you. Please share this knowledge to whomsoever it is required. Next week, we will learn about current account. Thank you.